Hi. Good morning all traders. In this video we are going to trade on option market with the help of chart. Here we will use Banknifty index chart for option trading. And we'll use the head and shoulders pattern chart tricks. I am checking Banknifty chart using 3 minutes chart time frame. This is stating range of today as of now. We found a head and shoulders pattern on my Woody CCI chart. This pattern is showing the range of 0 line to -100 of Woody's CCI chart. Let's draw a line to identify the breakout level. Marking the vertical line for identifying the price point. It's near 70 points gain from the breakout of this pattern. Let's see the option market now. We are using the nearest call option of Banknifty. 38900 Banknifty call is the best choice for this trading. I am using next weekly option script. Check out the chart and CCI portion also. CCI also showing the same pattern like Banknifty index chart. Let's check the breakout level. It was 539 area, which will be the buy area. Means all done. Now check the real trade details. We bought at 539 area and sometime later we exited the same trade at 562 area. Few minutes later after my exit area it hit the 600 area also. This is called simple option trading tricks with head and shoulders pattern. That's all for the day. More head and shoulders tricks and live example will be available on my next upcoming videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your nearest one. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.